Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to create a Telegram group, and now let's dive right in. Now to create a Telegram group, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening a Telegram app, guys, you can see on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, there is a pen icon at the camera icon at the bottom right. It disappears when you scroll down, but reappears when you scroll up. Tap on the pen icon, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the new group option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on that new group, and over here you will be required to choose the person whom you want to add on your group. And that being done, after choosing the persons whom you want to add on the group, you will be required to tap on the arrow icon which is on the blue circle at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and over here you can see, guys, you'll be able to customize your group by renaming your group. Over here I'll be just typing in demo group for demo purpose. And after renaming your group, guys, you can also add some emojis if you want from over here. And that being done, guys, you can add a profile picture or the picture for your group by tapping on the camera plus icon at the left side of the group name. You will be able to either take a photo or choose anything from your gallery over here. I'll be just leaving it, guys. You can choose whatever you like. And that being done, guys, tap on the tick mark on the blue at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then your group will be created on Telegram. You can see over here, guys. And guys, this is how to create a group on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.